Greetings from Region 10. We have exciting news we'd like to share about major changes underway at the center. Changes we know will help us serve you better.
Here at what is still really just the start of the 21st century, we recognize that all of us are learning differently. We're being impacted by technology, social media, mobility, the list goes on. Most important, research tells us there are innovative new ways Region 10 can deliver professional development.
To that end, we've just begun the complete renovation of the professional development spaces in our Abrams building. Because we have some pretty serious construction work underway, we're closing the front of the building to public traffic. Our entire Spring Valley building, meanwhile, remains very much open for business.
Take a look at these architectural renderings to get a hint of what's coming. Phase 1 of the project focuses on the renovation of Abrams, set for completion by August of this year. Phase 2 targets the renovation of our Spring Valley presentation spaces, again, all with the goal of making our rooms more relevant and adaptable for this new era, based on plans many of you have had a hand in shaping.
If you have questions about where you should go when you visit Region 10 or about this project more generally, please shoot me an email or call my office.
This is an exciting time in the life of our center. We can't wait to see and we can't wait to share with you the new and improved meeting spaces in both buildings that should be complete by August of next year, 2019.
Thank you for joining us on this renovation journey. As always, we're very proud to serve you and the students of Region 10.